If you want to refurbish an old card, please click Card Reader 2. Now we can see the information of the old card number, balance, times. Now we need to renew this card. Click Add. Enter the new card number 100009, and we can change other information of this new card in other blanks. If everything is okay, save IC. As we can see this information, please enter new blank membership card close to the reader panel, ready to release a new membership card. Please click Confirm. The software will tell you the card failure. Click Enter here. You will see Renovation of old card. Click this. Then it's okay. We create another new card from here. Then you can see the card number now is new one. Okay. Now we will see how to recharge the card. Click Recharge here. Put the new card on the card reader. Click Recharge. Enter into the amount you want to charge in the card. 1000. Or you also can enter the times the card can use. 10. Okay, click OK. Recharge success. Okay, thanks. Now we will see how to check the consumption list and the recharge list. Click Member Admin here. Recharge. You can see the list, the history of the recharge. Consumption here. You can see the information of the consumption here. Thanks. Now we will see how to export the list of recharge. Go to the second interface. Find the recharge list, click here. Click Output. You can get the recharge list here. Thanks.